All right, so it's a new virus called the coronavirus in China, and it's killed several people and infected hundreds. 22 News reporter Katrina Kincaid is joining us now live here. And Katrina, you spoke with travelers about their worries.
Yeah, there is currently one confirmed case in the United States, a Washington man who recently returned from China. But travelers we spoke to at the airport said they aren't too worried because they take precaution whenever flying due to the risk of getting sick. Flying can often mean being up close and personal with the stranger next to you.
I think cramming too many people in a tin can be a problem.
Leaving some to risk getting sick if another passenger has an illness. One former teacher says he doesn't worry too much about getting sick on planes.
I think I've built up more than the normal resistance to some diseases, but yeah, you do. I think that is a concern.
But in China, a new virus called the coronavirus is spreading around, causing some concern. The droplet-borne illness has killed several people and infected more than 200 others. According to a study by Emory University and Georgia Tech, a sick person sitting in the aisle seat has roughly an 80% chance of getting everyone in their row and some passengers in the front and row behind them sick. Medical professionals say there are some precautions you can take while traveling to attempt to avoid getting sick.
They should be washing their hands frequently, avoid contact with people that are ill. You know, if someone is coughing in their face, you want to make sure that they cough in the crook of their arm, and then make sure all the surfaces that you're in contact with is wiped down with a good disinfectant.
The coronavirus is spread from droplets, meaning it's not airborne, but instead can spread from person to person via cough mucus droplets. Despite the one confirmed case, the virus is not prevalent in the U.S., but medical professionals say the cousin strain of the virus, SARS, is something people should be cautious of while traveling. Katrina Kincaid, 22 News.